you ever been to a restaurant and eaten a really super simple dish that then you just marveled in its magnificence when it comes to taste, texture, and flavor? It has nothing to do with what the guys in the kitchen may be up to, with a little bit of magic and something far-fetched. I honestly and truly believe that it really comes down to the quality of the ingredients being used. The freshest, the ripest, the best quality possible. Just like these little creamer potatoes from the Little Potato Company, so uniform in size, have a wonderful buttery texture, so nourishing and full of great flavor. They are the perfect gift to any cook. They can be transformed into a side dish, part of a main dish. And there's so many wonderful varieties that the Little Potato Company have developed that each one is slightly different and unique. They are there waiting to be cooked and tasted. And because they specialize in them, you know they're going to be the very best. And I just love them.